First, you have to go to the BTS to Udomsuk station and you can go for the shuttle bus at exit 5. But in this video, I'm not gonna go by shuttle bus because the weather is so hot and I prefer to ride a car. You can park your car at Shell station near the BTS and you can start from there to Ikea. Parking is free for the first 6 hours and free parking for the first 8 hours with minimum spend of 500 baht.
Life's so boring. I've been watching Netflix all day long. I thought there would be no things left to watch, so I let myself out.
Now you arrive at Ikea, and the first zone will be the showroom zone. The showroom zone is usually located on the top level. The showroom is your own private grown-up playhouse. Ikea assembles home displays into galleries that look as if you walk into a room of a home. You can try anything in the showroom zone. You can sit, you can walk, you can look, you can touch, and even you can sleep like this. And this is tape measures. The tape measures are provided so you want it to be yours.
So how can my day be bad? It's a day for you, oh baby.
This room is just like a small exhibition of how to create your room in a small space with sustainable products from Ikea or Ikea.
In your eyes, a pretty days. I think I'm in love.
They even have a map for you in Ikea so you will know where you are right now. When you walk past the zone number 3, you will see the Swedish cafe which sells a lot of bakeries and juices. And we're actually ordered a cold pressed watermelon juice. And welcome to the kids zone at Ikea. As we can see in the video, this sells a lot of dolls. This play area is designed to spark creativity and imagination for kids. Whether your child loves arts or craft, or building and construction, they'll find something fun to do here. And this is the Ikea canteen zone. The canteen zone is the perfect spot for travelers as me to take a break and grab a bite to eat. With a wide selection of delicious and plant-based food, there's something for everyone here. You can choose from your hot and cold dishes, and you can even have a salads, sandwiches, and more. And the best part that everyone loves is the price. You won't find a better deal for a satisfying meal as this. If you're not hungry enough to have a full meal, you can visit here and grab some snacks to eat. My recommendation is the French fries because the price is reasonable and it is so delicious. So before going to Ikea, I suggest that you should online register for a member Ikea family at home so you will get the special price there.
Stop recording. I see it no more.
Let's take a break from Ikea and go outside. The interesting place near Ikea is the Mega Park. Mega Park in Bangna is an excellent place to spend a day with friends and family. The park's facilities are well maintained and clean, making it a pleasant environment to spend time in. The park also has friendly and helpful staff who are always ready to assist with any question or concerns you may have.